Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. In this training, we'll guide you through the AI chat image feature. It's an easy and interactive way to generate and refine images using simple conversational prompts. So to access the AI chat image tool, log into your dashboard and select it from the menu. Now, this feature lets you chat with the AI to describe, modify, and enhance images effortlessly by using the simple prompt here. So start by describing the image you want to create. Type your prompt in the chat box, and the AI will turn your idea into a stunning visual. So be as descriptive as you want. For example, I'm going to have it create an image of a futuristic city skyline at night with neon lights. Click the generate or arrow button here, and within seconds, the AI generates a high quality image based on your description. But that's just the beginning. Refine your image through conversational prompts. Ask the image to adjust colors, add elements, or modify details in real time. So what I'll have it do here is add a flying cart to the background. When your image is perfect, simply save it to the Documents section for later use. You can download it or share it directly with your team or audience. So that's it. The AI chat image feature makes visual creations intuitive and dynamic. Log in today and explore endless possibilities with AI Toolkit Online.